Hi girlies! First time kong gagamitin tong Shine Hair Serum Oil and honestly, I think I found the secret to the effortless wet look the entire day. Tara, chika tayo about this. So, first impression ko, in-apply ko siya wet hair talaga ako right after the shower. Hindi damp yung hair ko, wet talaga. So, medyo naparami rin yung lagay ko kasi na-enjoy ko siya pero surprisingly, hindi naman siya like lagket overload yung feeling. Feeling ko ang formulation nito is about 90% oil tapos 10% serum. Kasi oil talaga siya, pero nung nirarab ko na siya sa palm ko, hindi siya ganun kadulas like the ordinary oil. Ang gaan lang niya sa kamay. So, feeling ko may serum siya. That's a first impression ko lang. And then when applying it to my hair, ang target ko talaga is yung ends lang. But then, as you can see, talagang nag-enjoy ako. So, nasali yung parang ibabaw ng ulo ko. Naka-wet look talaga the entire day pero hindi siya mabigat sa feeling. Parang ano lang, fresh out of the shower lang ang vibe. So since kaka-start ko lang gamitin to, I have no fancy expectations about this. So far okay naman siyang gamitin. I'm liking the glow up but so far yun lang yung masasabi ko for now kasi nga kakarating lang nito sa akin and I'm just trying this out. So what about you guys? Are you willing to try this one on your hair too? By the way, if curious kayo where I got this, I got the link down below there.